Do real estate agents need a website? The answer is yes. It's yes. But if you stick around to the very end of this video, I'm going to share with you what you actually need for your online presence that's going to produce way more cash for you than a website. So stick around to the end. This is something that I made $200,000 off of last year alone. Real estate agents absolutely need a website. A large part of that is for legitimacy, but another part of that is for operational purposes. When you're in need of any service, where's the first place that you go? It's probably Google. And sure, you can ask your friends for referrals, but I don't know about you, but referrals have been a mixed bag for me. And after a couple of really bad experiences with referrals, I would much rather be in control of going online and reviewing the volume, the breadth, and the depth of somebody's reviews in order to know if they're going to be a good fit for me professionally. And if they have a website, I'm scanning through the About Us pages, I'm checking through their services. Hopefully they have a portfolio of work on their website. And even if they come to me as a referral, I still Google them. So be Googleable. If you're a real estate agent in 2023 and can't be Googled and don't have an online storefront for people to go to pre-screen you, then you're losing major legitimacy points. And from an operations standpoint, you want an IDX website that allows consumers to search the MLS listings on so that you can interact with new leads, and that IDX website works synergistically with your CRM, your client relationship management software. And if you have inbound leads coming in, then you need to have an automated email and some context inside of your CRM being sent out to these leads, directing them to your IDX website. Let them know they can run searches on it just like they do on Zillow and Realtor.com, but without all the spam. People love to hear that. Furthermore, going back to the necessity of a website, did you know that there was a study published by the National Association of Realtors saying that only 70% of realtors actually have a website? How is that even possible when the majority of people are online, not only searching for homes, but also for agents? It's like, what the hell are the other 30% doing? Real estate agents with a website can dramatically increase their value proposition just by providing educational content on their website and informing buyers and sellers on the buying and selling process. Educating buyers and sellers on the ins and outs of the buying and selling process in your local market builds trust, it builds rapport, and it will serve to earn you more business. Your website should have all of your social media handles on it, directing consumers where else they can go online to find you. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. This is about being omnipresent. If your face, your bio, and your title as a real estate agent isn't on every medium that you can possibly put it on, then you're slacking, period. Don't forget that how we show up to one thing is how we show up to all things, and winners win. They go the extra mile. Now, I promised you at the very end that I would share with you what I think is actually the most important thing for your online presence. This would be the one thing that will actually produce cash for you over a website, and that is your Zillow profile. I brought in over $200,000 worth of referrals last year alone because of my Zillow profile. And when I go and look for an agent out of state to refer my clients to, who might be purchasing in an area out of the state, or even when clients call me up and they're looking to buy in my state, right? The first thing I ask them is, have you found a good listing agent? The majority of the time they say, no, or maybe, or we're looking, or I have a friend. And one of the first places I go is Zillow, and I pull up their local area and I search agents in that area, and I'm looking for agents with 100+ reviews and recent sales. That shows me that these are active agents, not part-timers who are out there working hard and taking their businesses seriously. And the reason why I look for 100+ reviews is because I find that those agents take leaving a good impression and doing a good job seriously, because they're expending the energy to obtain those reviews in the first place. If you don't take your storefront on that platform seriously, then honestly, get out of the game. Because frankly, every agent has good testimonials on their own website. Hell, they probably could have even written those themselves. But Zillow provides a real third-party website for consumers to actually go and read real reviews made by real people. As a real estate agent on Zillow, I cannot get reviews deleted on my profile no matter what. So you are guaranteed real reviews by real people whose ISPs and IPNs have actually been verified. So Going back to why your Zillow profile is important, guys, referral business. Now, if you're new to the business, make sure that each and every closing that you do have, you get a review posted on your Zillow profile. Don't let those slip through the cracks. So in conclusion, guys, yes, you need a website. Yes, you need to be omnipresent online. Yes, you need to get all of the social media accounts and make sure everything is updated across all platforms. And I personally recommend you place a huge emphasis on your Zillow profile so that you are set up for success in attracting out-of-state referrals from other agents. So I hope this video was helpful. I look forward to engaging with you in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Do real estate agents need a website? Yeah. Been the word of the day. What's the word of the day? It's blah, blah, blah. Oh my God, I have a block in my brain. Babe, I can't speak English.